Before the video starts, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any future tech tutorials. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the "this application is not responding" error on Windows. So in this example, I'm trying to open up Spotify, but it says the Spotify application is not responding. And this tutorial can work for any app that's doing the same thing. So no matter how many times I click the app, it still says the same thing. So the solution to this is you have to go to the search bar under the Windows icon and search up Task Manager. Now open up Task Manager, and as you can see, the Spotify app isn't shown. So now all you have to do is go back to the search bar and search up whatever application that's not responding. For me, that's Spotify, so open that up. And as you can see, it just showed up under Google Chrome. Now right-click on the app that's not responding and click End Task. And now all you have to do is open up the app again, and as you can see, it started to work. Now this should work for any app on Windows 10 or 11. And that's about it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helped.
It's not a game, it's a rap.